As a small creator, I understand how difficult it is to sustain this career. Therefore, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hello, namaskar. Welcome to a brand new series called Brand Collaboration 101, where I share everything I wish I had known before starting getting brand deals. Don't forget to watch the entire series by tapping here, or the link will be down in the description. And let's begin. So, what is a media kit and why do you need it? Now understand, no brands have access to your analytics or your insights. If any brand has to invest in you, they need to know your demographic, your insights, your engagement rate, this and that. Hence, brand needs your media kit. Now one might say that, hey, I can just type out my basic insights and analytics and send them across to brands via emails or messages. Well, yes, you should definitely consider that, but understand this. The brand representative you're talking to, until and unless it's the CEO or the founder of that brand, chances are they have a senior representative whom they have to consult in order to decide whether to collaborate with you or not. So if you have a media kit, it will be easier to share across, to bring all your data and present it cohesively, nicely and professionally. Which brings me to the second part, why do you need a media kit? Number one, as we discussed, to look professional. Number two, to be prepared when a brand is approaching you. Number three, to make it easier for the brand to select you. Because again, if a brand has to spend more than 1 minute to find about you, they will move on to the next candidate, because guess what? They have sent their media kit. Number four, to put you in a position to negotiate. If you look professional, you have all your data in front of you, then you are at a better position to negotiate than the person who has just typed out their engagement rate and this and that and email them. Now, what to include in your media kit? Tap on this video to find out.